Highline Manufacturing is an innovative manufacturer of agricultural equipment and industrial apparatus based in Vonda, Saskatchewan, Canada. This company has introduced AccuMix 1000 TMR. It is a ration mixer that can handle large volumes of feed ingredients. It has a capacity of up to 1,000 cubic feet and can mix up to 28,000 pounds of feed per batch. The mixer features a patented auger design that ensures fast and thorough mixing. Its hydraulic discharge door allows for easy unloading. The machine incorporates a scale system that monitors the feed's weight and moisture, and its wireless remote control allows for convenient operation. This machine is perfect for dairy and beef producers who want to optimize their feed efficiency and animal performance. Game Equipment LLC is renowned for manufacturing tractors, scraper tractors, sugarcane loaders, haulers, and planters, plus pineapple farming equipment and vegetable sprayers. This machine is one of their pineapple harvesters. It can pick pineapples from big farms quickly and effectively. The harvester boasts a 121 horsepower engine and a hydraulic system for cutting, lifting, and loading pineapples onto a trailer. It can work in various soil and weather conditions and requires little maintenance. Engineers with decades of experience designing harvesting equipment have designed this machine, which is why it is very popular with pineapple farmers. Braun is a Canadian company manufacturing a wide range of specialized equipment for the agricultural and construction industries. The company developed a line of self-propelled drainage plows to facilitate drainage pipe installation. As the largest model, the Braun 585 can plow up to 7 foot 6 inch deep and install a 12-inch diameter pipe. It weighs between 86,000 and 93,000 pounds, but exerts only 5.5 psi of ground pressure. The Braun 585 features a heavy-duty cutting blade and a plunger plate that aids in maintaining a constant depth of cut without compromising tool life. It boasts a 536 horsepower Cat engine and can work in various soil conditions. Comptech developed specialized equipment for the treatment and processing of biodegradable waste. Some of its most recognizable equipment are its compost windrow turners called Top Turn X's, which stand out in the market for being powerful and self-propelled. Here we have the Comptech Top Turn X5000. It is a powerful compost turner that can handle large volumes of organic waste. It has a robust frame and a high-performance engine that delivers up to 483 horsepower. The Top Turn X5000 can turn piles up to 21.3 feet wide and 8.2 feet high, with a turning capacity of up to 5,070 cubic yards per hour. The Top Turn X5000 also features a hydraulically adjustable drum that can adapt to different pile heights and densities. It optimizes the composting process and produces high-quality compost in a short time. Next, we have the TigerCat 1085B forwarder. This heavy-duty log forwarder can traverse over steep terrains with large loads. It has a 27.6 short-ton capacity and a variable-speed hydrostatic transmission with 2 piston motors. The machine is powered by a TigerCat FPT N67 engine, producing up to 308 horsepower. Its unique drive system offers traveling speeds of up to 4.7 miles per hour. It also has a crane with a telescopic boom with a reach of 27.9 feet. This forwarder can be equipped with a low-wide bunk system to offer more load area and stability. Moreover, it has an environment-type cab with air conditioning, heating, sun visors, fans, dryers, emergency exits, a back cab guard, and much more. All these features make the TigerCat 1085B a perfect machine for the forestry sector. Next, we have the John Deere 948L-2. It is a 24.3 short-ton skidder with a 22.3 square-foot grapple capacity, as well as a 300 horsepower engine that generates 1,009 pound-feet of torque. R&R Swamp Logging, a family-owned business, has been using these skidders for logging in marshy regions for years. This skidder has demonstrated its durability by traversing wetlands for over 6,000 hours without requiring a single hydraulic line replacement. The new steering sensors control articulation speed when frame-to-frame contact is imminent, reducing impact during full articulation and enhancing operator comfort. The user-friendly CVT transmission detects the load and automatically regulates torque and tractive effort to maintain the desired speed. Even if cargo is jostled, operators are less likely to lose a log because the grapple's gripping force remains consistent. Next, we have the River Amphibious Excavator from Jiangsu River Heavy Industry Co. These excavators come standard with a pontoon undercarriage, enabling them to float and work in shallow waters, slit, marsh, and wetlands. They offer a long-reach boom that can extend the working range of the excavator. The boom can be fitted with a river suction cutter pump. It allows the machine to transport solid particles up to half a mile away via a pipeline. The cutter suction pump is made of wear-resistant alloy and has a large flow path and a strong sewage discharge capability. The excavator is ideal for river dredging, piling, slope improvement, oil and gas pipeline installation, as well as flood fighting and emergency rescue. Next, we have the AI99-AHCD from Amphibious Indonesia. It's a dredging machine for clearing waterways and lakes of unwanted vegetation, like water hyacinths. It has a cutting head that harvests water vegetation and moves them to a conveyor line for further processing. The plants are then moved by a conveyor belt to a boat or containers on the equipment. This machine can operate in shallow waters and leaves minimal impact on the surrounding ecosystem. The machine is powered by a diesel engine and is controlled by a hydraulic system. Next, we have the G&R track system. These track systems are made of steel and can be attached to various models of forestry equipment, including skidders, feller bunchers, and mulchers. They are customized for each machine and job application. The track system features articulated roller frames to create a smoother ride over obstacles. They also offer minimal low ground disturbance and high ground clearance. These track systems are easy to install and remove, and improve the productivity of the machine when the machine is on rough terrain or in harsh conditions. Next, we have the FMG NAH350 snowplow. It is an articulated snowplow used with tractors and wheel loaders for snow removal operations. It has an interchangeable floating adapter that is easy to modify according to needs. Depending on the situation, it is possible to change the blade's shape from a V to a Y position. The blades are suspended by springs, allowing them to flex back when they strike an obstruction, and are positioned optimally for plow stability. Moreover, different varieties of blades, such as perforated and rubber perforated, are available for this snowplow. Optional components include extension wings, an electric valve, and LED daytime running lights. Next, we have the Kotek PPCR-SKST. This skid steer mounted snowplow is for pushing or pulling snow. Depending on the application, its rotatable wings can alter the shape and width of the plow. A floating adapter and a shock absorbing system prevent damage to the plow and skid steer. The snowplow offers efficiency and adaptability and can clear snow from driveways, roads, parking lots, and airport terminals. This snowplow system has been manufactured by Kotek, a Canadian manufacturer that specializes in snowplows and other attachments for skid steers.
Next, we have the M3 Amphibious Rig. This amphibious vehicle was developed by the German firm Essenwerk Kasselotten EUWK. Its creation commenced in 1982 and a prototype was handed over in 1992. The M3 can go on land using its 4 wheels and cross water using its 2 massive aluminum pontoons. 2 fully swiveling pump jets drive and guide the M3 at speeds of up to 14 kilometers per hour through the water. The crew has to step out of the cab to operate the pontoon from the deck. Connecting several rigs with ramps creates a makeshift bridge over a water body. 8 M3 rigs can cross a 100-meter water gap in this manner, and even the 60-ton main battle tanks such as the Leopard 2A6 and Challenger 2, can make the crossing. Up next, we have the Ultra Heavy Lift Amphibious Vehicle Connector, UHAC. This amphibious vehicle weighs 38 tons and is 42 feet long, 26 feet wide, and 17 feet high. It was designed to transport military equipment and vehicles ashore. At full capacity, the UHAC could bring 3 main battle tanks ashore from a distance of 200 nautical miles away. The UHAC has unique tracks equipped with thick air-impregnated foam that blocks to provide buoyancy in water and propulsion on land. It can continue to move while on land across mudflats, tidal marsh regions, and even sea barriers as tall as 10 feet. However, due to the vehicle's foam tires, its maximum speed is just 20 knots, which is half that of the LCAC, and in need, it is possible to fit this incredible carrier with weapons. Now you are looking at the Ferret. This is one of the most famous armored vehicles the British Army ever had. Back in 1959, the first model of the Ferret was introduced, and it remained in service until 1991. According to the US military, 20 national armies were using the Ferret in 1996. In 2016, Toyo, a tire company, used the Ferret to test their tires, and the results were amazing. Those Toyo 40-inch tires helped the vehicle conquer some tough off-road challenges. The Ferret has 6 tires, 2 of which are powered by hydraulics. A custom-built launcher with a grappling hook is now part of the Ferret-to-winch cable. It also features a redesigned suspension and an LS3 V8 engine, which means it can easily handle rough off-road terrain and reach speeds up to 60 miles per hour. Next on our top 10 list is the BRDM-2. This armored and amphibious vehicle is also known as the Scout Car. The first model of this army vehicle was built in 1966 by the Soviets. It's distinguished by its conical turret, which is equipped with 2 machine guns, a 14.5mm KPV heavy machine gun and a 7.62mm machine gun. A crew of 4 can sit in this vehicle, including a commander, a driver, and 2 gun operators. Interestingly, the BRDM-2 car has a gasoline engine that also powers a water jet, allowing it to travel on both land and water. There's a land navigation system with the operator's controls that gives precise coordinates of the vehicle's location. From the outside, the vehicle body is completely shielded. It offers complete protection against small weapon fire and artillery shell splinters. This Scout car has been sold in at least 45 countries. Up next, we have the Vitz DT30. This articulated tracker carrier, ATV, also belongs to former Russia. It was made to carry heavy loads through swamps, sand, snow, and other rough terrain and harsh weather. The vehicle is 30 tons in weight and offers equal payload capacity. Comparatively, the Vitz DT30 exerts less ground pressure than a human, which theoretically means it can even run over an anti-tank mine without causing detonation. It's powered by a V-46-5, a 710 horsepower multi-fuel diesel engine that was originally developed for the T-72 battle tank. The interesting fact is that it takes 30 minutes to prepare this car for travel when the temperature is negative 50 degrees Celsius. This vehicle is also fully amphibious, and it uses tracks on the water as well. Next, we have the engineering masterpiece. This is the TCM-60, a complete solution for the railway sector that can remove old railway tracks and build new ones from scratch. It has a gantry unit that can move from one end of the machine to another to transport 20 stacked rail sleepers to the feeding unit. Before placing sleepers, the ballast area is marked at a measured length to ensure that sleepers are laid in the right place. After placement of the sleeper, steel rails are carefully placed and fastened. The TCM-60 is equipped with fastening weapons, measuring wheels, recording trolleys, and much, much more. It can lay about 16 sleepers per minute with high precision and accuracy. Now you are looking at a remarkably unique vehicle, widely known as the SCRpropelled Vehicle. Because unlike typical wheels and crawling undercarriage, this vehicle has a pair of cylinders, each with a helical spiral flange like the thread of a screw. The flange engages on the surface of which the vehicle rests. Of course, this propulsion system is not built for roads or any road surface, but performs well on mud, ice, and swamps. Also, it propels the vehicle through the water. The idea to design and build such screw-propelled vehicles was quite popular among militaries during World War II. They classify these vehicles as marginal terrain vehicles. During the Vietnam War, the US tested a screw-propelled vehicle made by Chrysler Corporation. Next on our top 10 list is the Tano A200. This machine is designed to wrap bales, and it's capable of running entirely on its own and can use either a tractor or a power pack for power. Thanks to its film brake sensor, the Tano A200 automatically detects when the film has broken and will automatically stop the machine to prevent excessive plastic wrap and time. More importantly, the Tano A200 EH bale wrapper features dual stretch dispensers for consistent, accurate wrapping by allowing users to adjust the tension of the plastic wrap. It results in less waste and more efficiency. A radio control kit is given for this bale wrapper, which makes it very convenient to start and stop the wrapping process from the cab of the loading tractor. And this baler comes equipped with the hydraulic cut and start feature. This unique feature ensures that the machine starts quickly, safely, and reliably every time. And lastly, we have the RP Flip. Basically, it's a research facility floating in an ocean owned by the US Office of Naval Research. The platform is 355 feet long, and it's designed in a way that enables it to flood and tilt back 90 degrees. When this happens, only the front 55 feet of the platform are out of the water and the bulkheads become decks. Also, when flipped, most of the platform's ballast comes from water at depths where waves don't reach. This ability makes it resistant to wave action like a spar buoy. After the completion of the mission, compressed air is pumped into the ballast tanks in the flooded section. The platform, which can't move on its own, then returns to its horizontal position. Then it can be towed to a new spot. People often think that the platform is a sunk ocean shipping ship.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.